biggest risk is any decoupling between China and the United States, and the largest source of insecurity comes from any confrontation between the two. To shut out China is to close the door on opportunities, cooperation, stability, and development. This is a challenging time. Global recovery remains sluggish, and every country has its own problems to tackle. All are in the same boat. No one can stay aloof, still less profit at others' expense. Bloc confrontation will not bring peace or security, and decoupling will only backfire. Only by pulling together can we tide over the difficulties. China and the United States are the world's two largest economies and P5 members. Any conflict or confrontation between us would produce no winner, but only spell disaster for the world. The only right choice for us is to combat global challenges together and provide more peace and development dividends to the world.